To print the construction cost management documents, let's select the Print Manager tab. In the document index under Construction Cost Management group, let's select the Measurement Book node and with a right click select Add a Print node. You can now see that the range of items is shown, so you can select the Finalize Print option so that the program closes all measurements for the items to the current date and therefore issue the first work progression statement. The Finalize Print option must be activated for all accounting documents before printing so that the program automatically recognizes the creation of the various work progression statements as our work on site progresses. Confirm the printing of the measurement book, and as you can see, for measurement items you have the detailed measurements. For the lump sum items you also have the corresponding total amounts. Then we simply continue in turn to print all of the various contract management documents. In fact, we have the accounting register, where for both measurement and lump sum items you can see the references to the measurement book. The cost summary, where for both measurement and lump sum items you can also find references to the register and the interim payment certificate. The work progress statement, where for each type of works you can see the quantities and total amount. On the last page you also have a general summary report, the contract data and bid proposal type, the amount of measurement and lump sum works to date and the corresponding percentage, and of course here at the bottom the payment total. Now with the same operating features we can move on to printing our first interim payment certificate.